So now the next part is showing you how to do it in sections. So I'm gonna break it down and we're gonna do basically like window sized is what we're really gonna do and how we're really gonna do that. And you just keep going. And then I'll explain everything as we go, or I'll just edit it in later on. Also, another big tip, when you're cleaning, keep an eye on your waters and your soaps and your mixes. Halfway through a job, you might need to change your bucket, because when we started out, the soap was bright pink, and now it's a dull pink. So we should think about changing that either now or real soon. Same thing with our rinse water. I know the rag's in there, but all that extra cloudiness, you don't want. It's really bad. So constantly have fresh rinse water. Don't keep using dirty rinse water. Soapy water you can get away with for just a little bit. Rinse water, zero tolerance. Always have clean rinse water. So now that our cooler is nice and clean, mop, walls are all taken care of. So what we're gonna do is we're slowly gonna start to bring everything back and put it back together.